Hyatt Ziva Cancun. This stunning beachfront resort is set on the beautiful strip of Punta Cancun and framed by the Caribbean Sea, where you can enjoy a white sand beach and clear blue waters. All rooms at Hyatt Ziva Cancun include a flat-screen TV, mini-bar and a coffee machine. Rooms feature a private bathroom equipped with a shower as well as bathrobes and slippers. Hyatt Ziva Cancun offers a variety of activities, from theater shows to water sports to tequila tastings and a microbrewery. Choose to lounge in a beach cabana, sip a margarita and enjoy diving, snorkeling, sailing, and swimming in the Caribbean. Soak up the sun at cascading pools overlooking the sea, including the pool bar. Enjoy the oceanfront spa, with a massage, holistic body treatments, hydrotherapy and a fitness center. Hyatt Ziva Cancun is located 300 meters from Coco Bongo while La Isla Shopping Mall is 2.1 miles away. Cancun International Airport is 11 miles away.